So today we're going to be unboxing the U-shaped electric toothbrush, and let's see what's in it. Okay, so when you unbox this, you have, of course, the charger. You do have the toothbrush, the spare toothbrush. So you do have the silicone toothbrush, and then the like a mouth guard toothbrush sensory thing. And then in here, let's open this up. Okay, so this is where the case for the toothbrush is. This is really good because you can also use it for traveling. It has a spare one of this toothbrush stuff for the mouth guard. So to fit this in, we're gonna put this right on top like that.
Oh, you gotta.
Yeah, I gotta put it like that.
Like that.
Good job. I have a little helper today. So this is what it looks like once you put it together. Then we can put this one on top also, so that you can see everything just fits perfectly. It's a nice size for the little one's hand. So we have the charging port. So this is charged, and when you turn it on, you hold it down like this, and you can see it vibrates, and then you can change the mode. So this is another mode.
Oh, red.
That's another one, the red mode. So different ones. So let's go brush teeth. Yeah. So today we're going to be using the toothbrush, and when you press it one time, this doesn't have vibrating. This actually, you charge it up and it lasts, it takes about 180 minutes to charge up, and it can last you up to, I believe, like 20 days or something. So a long time. Then you don't have to charge it again. But the thing I like about it, it has a 45 seconds timer, and it also has a vibrate one. So we're going to use the U-shaped one. Okay, so when you put it in there, open up your mouth, close your mouth, close. Does it vibrate? Shake your head, yes or no? So you can see it's ticklish. Yeah. How did it feel? Was it ticklish?
Yeah.
Like that. And yeah, so she can even brush your teeth, brush to brush the teeth like that. Awesome. You guys see? So you see, this one works better for little ones. It's very, very safe, and I can even make it vibrate. So this is the vibration of it, and she brush your teeth, brush. I see it vibrates on it. Ooh. So you like it?